Looking for a free way to design magazines, books, or brochures? Today we're checking out Scribus, the open source tool that many people call the InDesign killer. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Scribus is a completely free desktop publishing program. It works on Windows, Mac, and even Linux. You can use it to create professional looking documents like newsletters, posters, books, and digital magazines. The best part, it costs $0. Forever. Here's what Scribus does. First, it handles colors like a pro. You get full support for printing colors, color management tools, and amazing PDF export options. Print shops love this. Second, it's packed with features. You can create master pages, work with layers, import lots of file types, and design multi-page documents. Third, there's a helpful community online ready to answer your questions. And finally, it works across all major systems. So you're not locked into one type of computer. But Scribus has some problems. The biggest issue, it's harder to use than InDesign. The interface looks old and can feel clunky. Simple tasks take more steps. Some users report text flow bugs, especially on newer Mac computers. Updates happen slowly since it's run by volunteers, not a big company. And if you work with others who use InDesign, you can't open their files in Scribus. So, is Scribus the best InDesign alternative? If you're on a tight budget or working on personal projects, absolutely yes. For students and small publishers, it's absolutely perfect. But if you need professional features, smooth workflows, or work in a team using Adobe products, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.